I never tire of Indo-Chinese cuisine, and mushroom Manchurian is one of those recipes that really hits the spot. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen Ahmed, and today we're making mushroom Manchurian. Now this Indo-Chinese favorite is very popular in India, which is primarily vegetarian. Mushrooms are a fairly new addition to the Indian cuisine. In fact, around the time that I was in college, we started seeing mushrooms imported into some of the bigger grocery stores. Now today, of course, mushrooms have made their way into everything. Mushroom Manchurian is a beloved recipe. This recipe is made by sauteing mushrooms in a batter, making it really nice and crispy, and then it's simmered in a sweet, spicy, and salty gravy. Before I go any further with this recipe, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon, that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I have 10 ounces, that's roughly 283 grams of button mushrooms here, and I'm going to use them whole. I'm going to add a quarter cup each of cornstarch and all-purpose flour, and I'm going to follow this with 1 teaspoon each of garlic and ginger paste. I'm also going to add some salt, and I'm going to mix everything well. The moisture from the ginger and garlic is going to be enough, but if you feel like the batter is not sticking to the mushrooms, you can add a tiny bit of water as well. You want to make sure that all of the mushrooms are well coated. Next, I'm just going to deep fry these in hot oil till nice and crispy. Drain these as they come out of the oil and fry them in batches so you're not overcrowding the oil. Now to make the gravy, I'm going to heat up a few tablespoons of oil and I'm going to add a quarter cup of finely diced onion. I'm going to follow this with a quarter cup of finely diced spring onions, and I'm using the bulbs only. I'm also going to add a quarter cup of finely minced fresh ginger, followed by a quarter cup of finely minced fresh garlic. This smells so aromatic. I'm just going to cook this a little bit longer as I want to get rid of all of that raw onion, ginger, and garlic taste. Once the onions, ginger, and garlic have had some alone time in the saute pan, I'm going to add a quarter cup of diced green peppers. Next, I'm going to add a half cup of ketchup, and I'm going to follow this with a half cup of chili paste or sambal ole. Mix well and add 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of veggie stock and I'm going to allow this to come to the boil. Taste it for salt and add more salt if you require. I'm now going to thicken this up with the cornstarch slurry. Now this is literally cornstarch and water, and it will thicken the gravy to the consistency that you want. Drop the mushrooms in and toss to coat. Finally, I'm going to garnish with a quarter cup of fresh coriander. This is ready to eat. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for mushroom Manchurian. Be sure to check out all of my other Indo-Chinese recipes. I have a cauliflower, a gobi Manchurian, as well as a chicken Manchurian, and several other Hakka Chinese recipes for you to enjoy. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. I hope to hit 50,000 subscribers this year, and I really hope that you can help me get there. Also, ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. And the fun does not stop there. Follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time, happy eating and take care. Bye.